articulate is you got it number! Articulate, yung
Ate-ate?
yung sumagot ng bonggangan.
Meron ka articulate? Articulate pala yun.
Ang ganda sabi yung leader sa akin.
May award ka? Ano ang award mo?
The hashtag in question for knowledge, confidence, and mental ability.
Yeah.
You got it. Okay, our Miss Articulate is you got it number. Who's your parent? Actually, it's really hard to decide because we have also again a tiebreaker question.
Come on.
It's a tie! That's the judge's decision. All of the judges decided who among the candidates who make the articulation.
Alright. So,
Okay.
announce
Next
it.
articulate is you got the number 7!
Crisel Bulaga! Yes! Oh, yan. Doon sa napunta.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Pinakita lang natin. Okay.
Bakit nalilito sila?
So we are now ready to announce our Miss Calendar Girl 2024 fourth runner-up. Yan na. Drum roll please. Yung may kakakanaman siya.
With the average score of 45.26 score, the fourth runner-up goes to,
And the presenters are
and the presenters are
Yung judges!
the
Judge!
judges. Judika, assisted by our super paid.
and may also request all the previous Miss Calendar Girls to assist the presenters.
Oh yes, of course. Yes.
Okay, our Miss Calendar Girl 2024 fourth runner-up.
Please on the center, baby. Yes. Yes. You have to turn over the ground. All right. Goes to.
Is your candidate number? Is your candidate number 11?
Number 11! Representing STC. Ayan, congratulations! Miss Marlene Polito, fourth runner-up. Okay?
Dapat select mo
Miss, okay, picture.
excitement.
Okay.
Wala ba bang music ka, ante?
Hinahanap pa niya. Miley, stay beside me here, please.
Beautiful girl.
Miley, thank you very much, presenters. Okay. So, Miley, please stay here after that. So, for the third runner-up, let me go. The third runner-up 2023.
May I request Ma'am Liza to be
To turn over the crowd.
And our third runner-up is your candidate number! Mag-ingay kayo dyan, mga supporters! It's your candidate number 8!
Candidate number 8! Congratulations, Jessalyn! Representing Servant of Nature! Sisigaw.
Anong group ito?
Wala tayong music, nawawala yung music ni Miss Rana Marin. Okay? So, ayan. Ayan, may picture na ako. So, for now,
So we are now ready to announce our second runner-up.
With an average score of 48.5, our second runner-up to be presented by our second runner-up 2023 to turn over the crown. Are you still there? And to give the trophy from Miss Yuriaki and our Judge Gladwin. Okay.
And our Miss Calendar Girl 2024 second runner-up is your candidate number!
Candidate number second runner-up. We have to make sure
We have to make sure.
not to get mistake. Candidate number
Is your candidate number 10! May I request an athlete to stay in the center, please, for your
Ayan, malapit na tayo sa katutuhanan.
2 more to go. The first runner-up and then Miss Calendar Girl 2024.
Session na magkakaroon.
The first runner-up with an average score of 49.75%. Oh my God! Sa mga point-point lang sila
Yes,
nagkakatalo-talo.
it's a close fight competition. And of course, with the brilliant tabulators, thank you so much.
And the presenter are ready. Okay, thank you very much, FFOC Star Meeting, for the help. And of course, the first runner-up goes to... Oh my God!
Is your candidate number? Is your candidate number 9?
Number 9! Itayo na kayong lahat. Candidates, please stand up. And wag magkagulo later.
Sino kaya?
Ang raffle ticket po ay i-raffle namin mamaya. Kahit mag-senior na kayo, gagawin namin ang raffle later. Ayan, congratulations! OPC! First runner-up. And now, we are now for the winner. The
Okay, we are ready
queen.
to announce the Miss Unicrown